Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another tasty episode of Man Cake. Today, thanks to all the comments I've been getting about having nut-free recipes, we're going to make delicious chocolate sunflower donuts. They're going to be so delicious. And, secret time, I've already had like 4 of these donuts. They're really good. All the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description so you can make your own sunflower donuts along with me. And if you're new to the channel and like to show your support, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 325 degrees and get started on these amazing sunflower donuts. So for our first step, in a large mixing bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup flour, a half cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to go ahead and give these a quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead and scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add in 6 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now let's go ahead and mix all of our wet ingredients together. Now let's go ahead and mix in our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. And after all your ingredients are just combined, you will have your delicious sunflower chocolate donut batter. Now let's go ahead, transfer those to a piping bag, grab our donut pan, and start piping in our donuts. And we want to fill each donut well about 2/3 of the way full. Not too much, but not too little. They gotta be the perfect donut shape. Now let's go ahead, pop our donut pan in the oven and let bake for 10 minutes. Super quick. So our donuts are baked, they're out of the oven, cooling on the wire rack. Let's go ahead, grab another mixing bowl and add to that a half cup of marshmallow fluff and a 1/4 cup of sunflower butter. Now let's go ahead and beat these 2 ingredients with our hand mixer on a medium-high speed until they're both well combined, nice and smooth. Now let's go ahead and add this delicious sunflower butter topping onto our donuts. Sprinkle with some delicious sunflower seeds. And drizzle with some tasty caramel sauce. And once you add on your peanuts and your caramel drizzle, you will have your delicious and tasty sunflower chocolate donuts. How easy was that? That's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you make and try these delicious chocolate sunflower donuts, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. Let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. And if you have any more suggestions about different alternative ingredients, or if there's something that you'd like me to make here on Man Cake, let me know in the comments down below. And until next week, bye!